There's 3,600 calories in this, by the way. Ooh, there goes one. So, this is food for the entire week.
Or McDonald's burger.
Just put it in your mouth. And you have to say Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. You have to take another one.
I know.
Amateurs. You're gonna die after like 3.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny.
These are huge.
They are huge. This is the size of the marshmallows. I just want to point that out. She's gonna die.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. It looks sliding out.
It's so big. It's all in my mouth.
We need like napkins. Can't look at you. That doesn't count.
Why
That
not?
doesn't count. Okay. Okay, 5, yeah? 5, yeah. Chubby Bunny. I thought I was gonna be able to like 12 these.
Chubby Bunny.
That doesn't count.
Why not?
Chubby Bunny.
Oh, you made me laugh.
Huh? That was like the biggest waste of marshmallows ever. Should I beat you?
Or even.
No, I put it actually right, and then I said Chubby Bunny, and then I barfed it out.
I said Chubby Bunny. But is that
No, but I put one more than you.
Did you really? We'll see the video.
We'll count.
No, it's not.
I'm like, there's tears coming out of my eyes.
There's tears coming out of my throat.
Okay.